Hello students, we are studying lesson 14 natural resources and this is our video 6 of the same lesson. Here we will be studying about greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is related to carbon dioxide gas. So already we have studied about carbon cycle and next we are studying about greenhouse effect. Now when we hear the word greenhouse, we imagine that it is a house with garden where a lot of greeneries are there, and wherever greenery is there it will be very cool, the atmosphere will be very cool. But actually greenhouse effect is just the opposite of this imagination. Greenhouse effect means where the atmospheric temperature increases, and the effect of increase in atmospheric temperature is called greenhouse effect. And why the name greenhouse is given to such effect which is just opposite to our imagination, let us see. See, greenhouse means it is a glass enclosure. Glass enclosure means one place is a plain land is covered by glass. The roof will be of glass and the walls will also be of glass. So it is a glass enclosure made in the places of colder climate. In the colder climate, actually the temperature is very low. Temperature remains low, like 2 degrees or 3 degrees. Say we can say in Himalayan mountains like Gangotri, where the temperature, day temperature may be 2 degrees or 3 degrees. Actually at this temperature the plant cannot perform photosynthesis because minimum temperature required by the plant is 10 to 20 degrees centigrade for the photosynthesis. So when the glass house is made, so it is a glass covering, and in these places these glass houses are made. It is a glass covering inside which nursery plants are kept so that they get a minimum warm atmosphere where the photosynthesis is possible by the plants having colder climates. So why the photosynthesis is possible? Because glass is a very good conductor of heat. So heat is trapped by glass, and once the heat enters the glass house, it is a transparent glass house, then the glass do not allow the escape of the heat. It traps the heat inside, and hence the temperature inside the glass enclosure will be much higher than the surroundings because the heat is trapped by the glass. So that the plants can get minimum temperature, that is 10 to 20 degrees centigrade for photosynthesis. So these glass houses in the colder climate are called greenhouses. Greenhouse. Why greenhouse? Because they are mostly the nurseries where the plants, potted plants are kept for their development. So they are called greenhouses. But in nature, what is greenhouse effect? It is a natural phenomena. In this, what happens? That when the sun rays falls on the earth, then it gets reflected back in the atmosphere. That is, when the you say sun rays, here the earth is there, when the sun rays falls on the soil, then at the same time it gets reflected up, it bounces back. So some gases, like when it bounces back, it wants to escape into the space, but carbon dioxide gas is a heavier gas, it remains near the soil. So some gases like carbon dioxide, methane and chlorofluorocarbon, etc., it prevents the escape of heat from the earth. It do not allow the heat to escape into the space. Hence the heat is trapped inside the atmosphere. Who traps it? The carbon dioxide, methane and chlorofluorocarbon gases. They traps the heat and do not allow the heat to go back to the space. And so the atmospheric temperature increases. The effect of increasing atmospheric temperature on the earth is called greenhouse effect. That means when the atmospheric temperature increases, then how it affects our earth. Actually it gives rise to global warming. We all know what is global warming. Global warming leads to cold, that is odd climate. What odd climatic changes? It decreases crop productivity because the temperature increases. So at very high temperature the crops cannot produce its products. So, and the second thing is global warming also causes melting of polar ice, and hence water level, when the ice melts, a lot of water comes to the river and this river goes to the oceans. So the level of the oceanic water rises. When the volume of water is more, then the level will rise, and the area surrounding the ocean, that is area which is near to the ocean, may get submerged. The coastal areas may get submerged. So the terrestrial animals will not have any place to stay because the land is going to get submerged. This is the effect of greenhouse effect, we call it. Now the next topic is oxygen cycle. So this topic we can see in our next video. Till then, goodbye students.